You
I
want
have
to
to
see?
get away
Look.
from me. Stop!
You're not even showing your big ass head.
Because I don't have to.
You should.
Be quiet!
No, nobody's doing that to you. Rosa, am I bothering her? Y'all should do the video over now. No.
Hey guys, so today we will be making slime.
We will make two types of slime. Regular slime with acrylic paint and then cloud slime. Okay, so let's...
And we will be competing with each other.
Yeah, and
Who
y'all
makes it better?
And y'all get a comment down below who makes it better. So let's get to it.
First off, we will be doing the regular slime.
Yeah, so we're going to be adding the glue. I hope this don't have a thing that we have to. Wait. I think I just kicked it off with the one of your spoon.
Yeah, we can use this one.
Where's yours at? Are we gonna be having a share spoon? Go get a spoon. This is a draw. Go get two of them.
Two of them?
Yeah, two. Okay, so I'm just cutting the glue. Wait till she comes, so we can start competing. Oh shoot! I just gotta open this. It's gonna be very hard. I don't think we're gonna be using all the glue because it's a big glue. We got this huge glue. And then we got these two acrylic paints. I'm getting the pink one. She's using the purple one. Okay, I think that could be good. She's getting two spoons right now. Because this one, cloud slime.
Back.
You got the two spoons?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna pour my glue first. You can pour your glue from that.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna pour in some glue. Only a little bit. Well, you can pour that whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
That's actually thick. Okay, top it.
okay.
Wait, this ain't good.
Now we're going to be adding the acrylic paint. Wait, should we add water to it first? Because I want to make this a jiggly slime. Should I?
I don't know.
Okay. Only 1, 2, 3. Oh, these mosquitoes. I should have worn bug repellent because I have that in my room. Okay. Don't do that yet. No, because that's gonna mess it up. Don't do that yet. Look how cute it is! Oh my god, guys. Look at that. Now I'm gonna add a little.
I'm going to try
tiny
to
bit.
make unicorn slime.
Yeah,
well,
me
like the
too.
color, like a little bit brighter and pretty. This is actually pretty. Oh my god, it's actually turning really pretty. Okay, so that's it. That's it.
Oh,
This.
I think we're gonna have the same color, but yours is gonna be lighter, I think. Okay, I'm gonna add the activator. Oh, scared me. Okay, so we're gonna add that in. Ew, look how it looks. Why does it look like that?
I don't know.
Okay, so. Oh, that is a lot. Yep, that's enough.
Your slime is probably not even. So like, it's probably gonna be a little bit too jiggly because you added a little bit too much activator.
That's gonna be probably overactivated, but
yeah,
we'll
probably
see.
overactivated.
We'll see. So I'm just mixing it up. So I'm about.
I'm about to knead it.
Yeah, me too. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more glue because of the activator.
I'm gonna add a little bit more activator into my slime because oopsies. Let me pour some more in. Okay. Okay. There. I'm trying to win this competition.
Yeah. Well, whoever wins, we just win. That's who is the better slime queen. I even have the shirt and the bag, so yeah. Oh yeah, that's a lot of purple. And then you guys have to comment down below which one did it better. I'm still mixing because I added up more blue. If you like Lakers, like and subscribe. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to beat it. Dang it, I'm gonna mess up my nails, but it's okay. So I've needed it right now. This is definitely gonna be overactivated. I could
Not
tell.
really. You could just still keep on kneading it, and then it's probably.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need more. Can I get more activated, please?
Thought it was the activator that made it bad.
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, never
so
mind. I
I
don't
need
need
a
it.
little bit too. Need more activator. I really don't add that much activator because I don't want to be over activated.
Mine is still mixing. And I actually added a lot of slime. I thought it would be done by now. Oh my god, I love it. I forgot to buy containers. We should have bought containers. Because I saw containers. I was like, no, we don't need it. But then,
I was gonna tell you to buy some.
but you didn't.
No, because you said we already have bowls.
Bowls, how is that gonna? Because you're bringing your slimes home with you, aren't you?
Yes.
Exactly. So you're just gonna keep it in your hand?
Whoops.
Don't let it get on the table unless it's like, unless you really want to eat it and you're about to play with it.
Tied. Still need some more activator.
This is like spider webs.
If you hear someone in the background, it's the neighbors. Just don't worry. Just don't worry.
I thought they were talking.
They're not talking to us because they don't know who we are. They know who.
They know who I am.
They know who she is, but they don't know who I am.
Yeah, because she's new to over here. Yo, I know that girl.
She goes to your school.
Papa school. Yo, I need more activators. Let me get that activator.
I tried to knead it.
We gotta be using all these, the whole activator.
Right.
Oof. This looks like a spider web.
It's gonna be so sticky. Probably. Ooh, I made regular slime good.
We got the same colors, so this was round one. There was only two
Well,
rounds.
she got like a little bit darker than me, but I actually got a little bit lighter. But it's still pretty.
I like mine. So this is for round one, and comment down below which one you like better. Alright, mine's
So
just
at
not
the-
sticky anymore.
So like now we're gonna do different colors.
Alright, I will wash the bowl with the hose. So we can make
Different
cloud
colors.
slime. Oh yeah, I like mine. I will put mine right here. I'm gonna take all of it out. Next, I would just make a pink slime, regular pink slime. Looks like a light purplish.
Comment down below who made the purple slime.
You gotta wash my
Where are you gonna wash it, with the hose?
I would just take the stuff.
Guys, we'll be right back. We give you guys to skip, okay? We're back.
Time for round
Two.
Okay, so you finished with the whole glue.
No, still have more left.
So add that and then add some of the big glue. I'm gonna save some of the big glue too.
Yeah, we should make some
But
more
like-
when we're done with the video.
Okay, I'm gonna start adding the big glue. Put yours right here. No, don't put that there. It's gonna make it dirty. We have to add we just have to make regular slime and then add the cloud slime. I'm gonna make it big.
I don't know if mine is gonna be big. Oh God, Princess. Okay, keep putting
No, I don't want to add too much.
it. Okay.
that is enough.
I
Wait,
can't even see it.
I think
Get in the video.
I can't. Like, you gotta move over. They can't even see me. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna mix because there's activator in my thing still. So I'm gonna just make it a hot pink. I'm gonna add the whole pink. You should make it hot purple.
Hot purple.
Yeah. I'm making mine
I
hot.
just made purple. I want to make pink now.
Oh, I'm using this whole pink. Yeah. Don't use the whole thing.
Okay,
Give me.
just stop it because you can waste it.
Wait, no, don't add that yet. You have to add that after. So just make regular slime. I have containers. I'm gonna find them. So
I actually have a light pink, but I actually want hot pink, so like I'm gonna add a little bit more.
okay, so I'm
No,
gonna
I
start
actually want dark
adding by
pink.
side. I'm gonna add a little like she did, cause I like how hers turned out. So a little bit is glossy. That's what
I like how yours turned out.
Mine's is thick. Hers is glossy. See that? I actually like rose slime. I like rose slime more than store-bought slime
Because the store-bought slime, they actually get messed up very easily.
quickly.
You could play with them. You could stretch it like this, and then the next
Some of
day
them
you
don't
try
even
to stretch
stretch.
it, and then it doesn't. Yeah, some of them don't even stretch.
We made a video about fixing our store-bought slime, and then it got messed up so quickly. Like,
You did?
yeah, I have to throw it out. Look, make sure your slime doesn't fall. And then we're gonna be doing ASMR.
Papa made
What?
milk. Well,
Yeah,
he did, so he's the one that spilled that shit.
I think. I'm making a video.
So sorry.
We're gonna cut that out anyway.
La la. la.
Stop!
I'm so sorry,
No,
dude.
but shut up. God, stop.
Nah. Now I was gonna look at this. What's this?
That's hers.
But it just cracked right now.
No, that
No,
like
that been cracked.
Look at the back though.
That happened.
Yeah,
No.
that I
Right
don't
now?
even. No, not right now. I don't even know when it happened. But it happened when I was in my house.
See, I mean, I'm about to give you this one.
No!
No, you know I got this. This is how you like your moms call you and stuff.
Yeah.
No, her phone won't
So
work.
guess what?
I'm not getting
You're gonna
that.
have the same phone as you, Ross.
I'm not getting that. I don't care.
20.
I'm not gonna use it, so you're gonna spend money on it for no reason. Cause
I have
I'm not
the
gonna be
You're gonna be
using it.
20.
No, I don't
I
care.
have the 6.
Exactly. I'm not using that.
Twinner.
Stop.
Winner.
God.
Why?
Leave me alone.
Alright, I'm not doing nothing to you. Roz, am I doing anything to her?
Yep.
I ain't doing nothing to you.
You are. You're away from me.
So your slime gonna come out ugly.
No, it's not. You don't even know how to make slime.
I am slime. You
I
wanna
have
see?
to get away
Look.
from me. Stop.
You're not even showing your big ass head.
Because I don't have to.
You should.
Be quiet.
Nobody's doing nothing to you. Roz, am I bothering her? Y'all should do the video or not? No? Y'all can't because y'all already started.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Just pause it.
This has all of that?
Guys, we are back from the scene. My slime is probably a little bit messy.
Your son?
My slime.
I think I'll add more glue because this is kind of overactivated. Let me get a little piece of yours. So, you know, add it.
Wait, we're doing a competition. Why did I just give you a piece of my slime?
Ah! Okay, I'm gonna add the snow.
This slime is not even good.
No, I think I'm gonna add more water. Should I?
No, it's okay.
No, because
Oh,
look how
it's
it looks.
dry.
It just looks regular.
It looks dry.
Like it just came out on the thing. It just got bigger. That's it.
Ooh, it's back to normal. I just need to add a little bit more activator. How was your first day of school?
Okay. Did you add tie to my slime?
No.
So you trying to cheat? Because you will be disqualified. So you do not want to do that. Okay, so I added more water because it was dry. So I'm going to add 2 spoons. Oh shoot, that's made a mess. I'll probably add more later. But right now, it's 2 spoons. Are you going to add some right now? Yeah.
Oh no!
See, I told you that was gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna mix it.
I'm a man. I'm a man.
You are mad?
It was in the song. I might add a little bit of snow to mine to see what's in it.
I just want to.
I think mine is a little bit overactivated, but it's okay. It's okay.
Oh shoot, that's a bee.
That's a big bee.
That's a fat bee for sure. So this is how it turned out. I'm still mixing it.
Oh, this is actually good.
I'm gonna add like.
It's gonna form, I think.
I'm gonna add more.
Oh, it just formed and it's blue.
I'm gonna add a lot more because I really wanted to turn out to be cloud slime. Don't you want it to be cloud slime?
I really don't care what it turns out to be. Honey, it's so good.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit more glue.
You know what I made it? You know those slimes that you buy? Those fluffy slimes, but they're not really slime. They're just something you just poke into. Yeah, this is like how it is. Because it stretches is like this. It's supposed to stretch like this.
Yeah, like real slime. Yeah, I'm thinking that's a
Yes, I did that with my mouth. You don't need to hate that. Ew, that's disgusting.
If y'all hate, get off the page. If y'all gonna hate.
Get off the channel. As a matter of fact, don't even click on this video.
If you go hate. If you don't. No! If you know you're gonna hate, just don't.
Just
don't.
like if bruh, yeah.
Just don't. Just don't.
Don't even click on this video.
Like that. Look, it's starting to be cloud slime. Oh, it's getting stretchier. Look. It's getting stretchier. Oh, yeah. I'm definitely going to buy this so way more.
I used to sell my slimes in school.
What?
I used to win like $10.
Why?
I used to sell my slimes in school.
Sell? I used to sell for like $20 because my slimes was good. I made like $40 a day. But the one I only got 2 people to buy it. Those are like.
I mean, at least you got
kids.
money.
Yeah, I spent it on the game.
Roblox.
No. I had 1,000 Robux. Nobody actually believed me, but I showed them the money and I bought it. I put it on my mom's card.
Yeah, my stepdad's card. Yeah, I got 1,000 Robux.
Okay.
Only if you know me, you would know that I did actually have
I'm gonna
1,000
add
Robux.
like a lot more. She was in that house. Oh shoot! Yo, that girl be in there.
There's actually a bus passing by here.
So just ignore it. How rude.
Yeah, it's like those airplanes from CJ So Cool's video.
Yeah, they always. If y'all don't like CJ So Cool, y'all need to get off this page too.
No, it doesn't matter if they don't like. They don't need to like CJ So Cool if they don't want to. They have their own choice.
Yeah. But you saw that girl that was saying that she hates
Oh
CJ So Cool?
yeah, she
That
didn't
got
even
on my
spell
nerves.
it. Yeah.
If y'all don't like her, y'all better like this video because she don't even know
If
how
you-
to spell
if
it
you
right.
like CJ
and she
So
has
Cool-
$450,000 million. Like that don't even make no sense.
That isn't even a number.
Exactly.
It is, but like she's
My
not
brother
saying
says
it
that,
correctly.
and he's only 4. Like
I thought he was 5.
he's 4.
But didn't his birthday pass and last year you said
That
he
was my
4?
other brother.
Okay. Pure awkwardness.
Oh my god, more stuff.
It's stretchy. Now the cars want to pass by. Y'all
Yeah,
better
nah.
go back to your
Like, we was just having some peace.
peaceful time, and then y'all want to come outside.
I don't want this slide to be cloud slide. Only this slide. My slime is gonna be so stretchy, guys. What happened?
No, just trying to put
Girl, you better go to sleep today. Did you hear
Oh,
me?
you know why she told me to go to sleep? Because yesterday, when she was sleeping,
She
and
woke
I
me
came
up.
over, and I'm her best friend. She's over here sleeping. I'm like, Princess, wake up. She's over here like, no. I'm like,
That's how it be for school. So I'm thinking that it was early, and it was my mom waking me up.
but it's the weekend.
Yo, look how stretchy my slime is. Yours is still not stretchy.
It was just stretchy, but I want it to be like this because it's fluffy. Look, guys. Oh, well, just show you at the end how our slimes turned out to be.
Yeah, so Visco. I said Visco to ASMR. Put the bowls over there so you can have more space for our slime.
Put the what?
Bowls over there. I'm gonna add more.
Ah, almost fell.
You got scared. Okay, so we're gonna show you how our slimes turned out. Which one you gonna put?
You know what the alcohol class?
No. Okay, you go first.
So this is how my purple slime turned out to be like.
the-
Well, the unicorn / purple slime turned out to be like. It is this one. So it turned out to be like this. Stretchy, pokeable. It's pokeable. And, okay, show them your slime.
No, you have to show them both of them.
Okay, so this is how my pink slime turned out to be like. It's stretchy, and it's a fluffy slime. Yes, this is fluffy slimes. Like, I just love it. Okay,
Okay,
show
move
them
it.
your slime.
You gotta switch sides. I want to stay right here.
Oh, can I feel your slime after you're done?
Wait, yeah. Here's your slime.
Comment down below who won the competition.
Alright, so here's my regular purple slime. Nice and glossy and stretchy. I'm gonna do some ASMR. I'll do a little bubble. It's kind of overactivated. So.
But it's okay. Okay, y'all.
Okay,
Comment down
so-
below.
I'm gonna show you my cloud
Oh
slime. I actually like this
my.
one better because it's like more stretchy.
Oh my god, can I feel that one?
Hold on.
That's
And then
so
look
satisfying.
through it.
Oh my god, if you were here, it would have looked like sand, but it can stretch. Okay, feel my pink slime.
Okay, now we're gonna
No.
switch. No! Oh shoot. Alright, this one is my slime and that one is yours. Oh, I like this one. Do you want me to turn it out like that?
No, because we
But
we
that
have to
they're
show
not
the
gonna
art.
pick you because these are the same exact slimes. That don't make no sense. I'm gonna add a little bit more to yours. Ugh. Oh, I thought that was a spider. I was about to say, oh heck no.
It's a dead spider right there. There's a dead spider.
So we're just gonna mix it in her slime. Look at that.
That slime is a fluffy one.
And that's about to be a cloud fluffy. Don't add a lot to mine. I already added like a lot. This is gonna be so pretty. So this is hers and that one is mine. See, it's already getting more stretchier.
Mine was already stretchier. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.